Hi Kae Chaps, how are you?
I'm very well. How is you?
Okay, it's nice seeing you today.
Nice seeing you too.
Okay, we're from
Thank you,
RudoRwedu team, and we wanted to find out what happened to the Juzi. Do you still have it? Are you gonna take it back? Is he coming to pick it up?
Okay, so many people are saying we should ban it, but personally I feel like we should just have it on auction, and whoever wants it, the highest bidder gets the jazz. Yeah, that's what's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I might say that it's a good song, great
Thank you
song.
so much.
I could feel your emotion.
Thank you.
I could relate, and a lot of single people related. We called
Yeah.
it the national anthem of singles on Valentine's.
That's perfect timing, exactly.
Anyway, nice. So now we are getting a collab from Sunny Makalima, Malitan.
I haven't spoken to Sunny,
Uh-huh.
but hopefully we might have something.
Okay.
And I'm talking to Holly 10, but then we're still on the talking terms.
Okay.
Nothing official. So yeah,
Okay.
just look out for the music.
We can't wait. We are rooting for you.
Thank you so
Thank you so much for giving us the song of the last season.
much. And thank you so much for having me.
No problem.
Yeah, and you can check out the new song on my YouTube channel, which is Kae Chaps Vivo, KAECHAPS VEVO. Follow me, on Instagram, Twitter, it's @KAE_CHAPS. Facebook, it's Kae Chaps.
Okay. We want a small Juzi freestyle. I don't know if you can go
Okay.
a chorus or whatever.
Zoka utore Juzi rako rawakakanganwa ndikaritarira ndoshaya rukare.